The HUI NA 1554 D9R Engineer Bulldozer. I picked this baby up from banggood.com. It was about $85 when it was all said and done, and it was free shipping, but it took a couple months for it to get to me from China. This 1:16 scale replica boasts an impressive level of attention to detail, closely mimicking the design of a real-life D9R Bulldozer. Again, it took about 2 months to show up, and when it did, it showed up with a big old hole in the top of it when I opened up the package it was in. I don't know if it damaged it or not. We'll open it up and find out. This is a special version of the D9R. Rather than the yellow, it's more of a sand or desert color. The rest of the box is in pretty good shape, so hopefully it'll be in pretty good shape when we get it open. They put the little sticker there on the normal box, so it shows it is the special version. So I like it better than the yellow, I think. The bottom of the box gives you the instructions that you need for the batteries in the controller, and charging the batteries and placing them inside the unit. All in all, I'm looking forward to getting this thing out and, number one, making sure it's not damaged. Okay, let's pull this thing out and see if we got any damage here. Hopefully not. Looks pretty good. Yeah, it really did take a pop there and busted it in, so, but I think it's okay. It looks like it survived the impact okay. So anyways, let's give you a look at this thing. Let's check it out and see what it looks like close up. There's the battery box, and they've probably stashed the battery inside of it, so I'll have to open it up and hopefully it's there. The USB charging cable. I know there's a controller here. Oh, there it is on the bottom. It's a PlayStation style controller. It's got a good feel to it. If anything, it's a little light. The buttons have a good solid punch to them. They click nice. Overall, not bad. Usually they'll store the battery inside the battery compartment. And there it is. It's a little guy, but I guess it packs a big punch. Hook the battery up to the USB charger and then hook it up to a phone charger I have. The controller takes 2 AA batteries. And it's powered up and ready to go. I let it charge for a couple hours, and the red light was off, so it's fully charged. Plug it into the bottom of the tank and just put the hatch back on, and you're ready to go. This is the power switch. Always turn the power on the unit on, then the controller. 'Cause 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 'c The beeping noise is the syncing up of the controller to the unit. You can kill the diesel engine sound if you'd like. Let's take this baby outside and play with it in the dirt. The most important thing is your blade height. You got to keep it at the right height to get the good push of dirt. I chopped up the dirt and added some sand to it to make it easier to push around. You can lower the slicer and slice through the ground and then raise it up when you're done. It pulls the slicer through the ground pretty good, even though, I did kind of loosen the dirt up a bit, but it pulls it pretty good. If you get stuck, just back up, raise the blade, and take another shot at it. Hey, if you made it this far, please like and subscribe. That really helps the channel, and we'll catch you on the next video.